Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest reviews and recommendations on a wide range of products. Today, we've got something special in store for all you foodies out there. Red's all-natural, organic cilantro lime chicken burrito. This, my friends, is hands down one of the best frozen burritos available in the market. Stick around to find out why. Let's dive right in and talk about what makes this burrito so special. Red's All Natural has crafted an organic masterpiece here, featuring grilled chicken, brown rice, and cheddar cheese, all wrapped up in a tortilla bursting with flavors. Here are some key features that make this burrito stand out. Red's All Natural takes pride in using high-quality, all-natural ingredients. That means you can enjoy your meal without worrying about artificial additives. This burrito is USDA organic certified, which means it meets strict standards for organic farming practices and ingredients. With a whopping 12 grams of protein per serving, it's not just delicious but also a great source of nutrition. It's individually wrapped, making it a perfect on-the-go meal option. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the taste test. I can tell you from experience that the flavors from the grilled chicken, cilantro, and lime really shine through. It's not overly spicy, making it suitable for a wide range of taste preferences. There you have it, folks. Red's All Natural, Organic Cilantro Lime Chicken Burrito is a winner in our book. With its organic ingredients, delicious taste, and convenience, it's hard to beat. So, if you're looking for the best frozen burrito on the market, give this one a try. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews. If you've tried this burrito or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.